Hello. It's a bit of a process, but if you follow the link, if you haven't got it already, you need the Daz2Unreal bridge. Once you have that, it is a matter of installing it into with your normal Daz installation, and then once you're here, you'll be able to install it. If I go to the dashboard, you'll actually be able to launch it from any one of these things. So that's the installation of it into Daz, and then hopefully what you should end up with is file, send to, and Daz2Unreal. Once you click that, the first time that you're using it, you will open up a game. So we'll cross over, open up 5. I've gone to a third person. I'll call it Japan, because I'm doing a Japanese scene. And I like ray tracing, third person, so create that. I'll jump out of that just while I wait for this to open up. I don't need that anymore. I don't need the Daz2Unreal bridge. This is the other important link that I've put underneath this video, and this is to the actual Daz2Unreal zip, which you download, and if I put that into downloads, so we've opened up our game. Now, to have the person as the third person player, a Daz person, which can only work from 3 till 8, Genesis 3 to 8. So we go to plugins, and then we go to other, Daz2Real. I also like to do editor, so I get the restart button on top. Restart that. No, that's already there. Okay, so with this plugin here, you will go to a folder. I'll just find it. It'll be in your C drive. Once I find it, program files, Epic Games, and then we're over here. We're into 5, engine, and plugins. From there, you will go to the download that we had before, which is the Daz2Unreal. So once you click that and open up that folder, you've got all these versions. There's 5. So we grab that, copy. I don't want to do it again, I've already got it. So we copy that and load it into here, and then you'll end up with oh, I've got it here. I'm sure I had 5 Daz2Unreal. Okay, so that's how to get the plugin into 5 or all the other versions from that website. With that in mind, that's partial of the way there. We can close that off. We're back to here again, and we've got third person player working. Make sure on the settings that you have got plugins and engine content activated, so that you can see a certain thing that's going to come up. Now, in here we have to go to settings. Actually, one thing I like to do is turn off this waste of time, enable autosave, right? Because it doesn't save anything, and I've been stuck there for 10 minutes while it decides to autosave, and then you still have to save. Okay, so in our project settings, scroll down to the left to Daz2Unreal settings. We click the 0 root and we click the fixed bone. Now that's all we need to do here. Let's go back to Daz. Again, if we go to now the first thing I want to do is make the connection. Actually, what I'm importing the whole scene, so I'm going to actually get rid of Hamari, and then so with that whole scene activated, no matter what scene you've got, if it's bigger than one building, up to File, send to Daz2Unreal, change it to Environment, and select Unreal version 5. Again, this is where you hit the install plugin. Go to your, another way of doing it, Epic Games 5, Engine, Plugins, select folder, and there you go, installed. So you've got it installed in Daz, you've got it installed in Unreal Engine, whatever version. Hit accept, and depending on how many objects are in the actual scene that you're doing, it's worth it though. You're going to have to click every single time this comes up, and slow down every now and again if it seems that it's getting... I usually do this on 2 screens, so I've got a bit more of a view of it buffering up, and you don't want to, if you quickly hit 20 times, and they're quite big objects, then it can